How to find someone in Discord. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this video. To find someone in your Discord, first and foremost, launch your Discord application. Make sure that your app is up to date and you are logged in. Now while you are in your server, tap on the arrow to head back from here. At the bottom option, you will see the Messages tab. Go ahead and select the option of Messages. Tap on Add Friends. Now in here, you will find various of options such as Share Invite, Copy Link, and Messages. You can directly share your profile URL link and your friend can just tap on the link and join as a friend in your Discord. Other way is to add by username. In here, type in the username of the person that you want to add as a friend. Mind it, you have to write the correct username, then tap on Send Friend Request. Once a friend has approved your friend request, you guys will be friends in your Discord. Other way is to find through your contact. When you select the Find Friends, you will have to enter your phone number. Now, everyone in your contact list who has their account in your Discord will be suggested to you. You can easily send friend requests by tapping on Add Friend option at the side of the contact name. And those were some of the ways to find someone in Discord. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.